Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 31st, 2024, and this is my end of year market review. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Ended up being the end of the year. I was thinking the day was Friday for whatever reason. But Happy New Year, everyone, and all. And I said I'd go ahead and do this anyway, and all, because I kind of like seeing how the year ended anyway, something to go back to and look at myself. All right, on the SPY, this is the SPY S&P 500 SPY index that I'm actually looking at. We can see that we actually went up to an R3 level. This was a really bullish year. As you can see, all year long since the last quarter of 2023, we had higher lows and higher highs the whole year. Buying the index, like I tell a lot of my nephews, and no trade recommendation here, but I tell my nephews and family, just buy the index. If you really don't want to get in that deep into trading, put a little bit of money into the index, every week, every month, and watch your money grow. And most of the time, this is what you're going to get. And especially if you have 30 years or more, the indexes are designed to actually go up. So, and on this one, as we can see, we went to an R3, pull back, but we're still looking very bullish. You're going to have to just kind of like wait and see what happens next year. Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we are looking in red at this time. We're getting a red month. We started out above, start the quarter above pivot. I expect it to still stay above pivot. We're still quite a bit off the 9-10 moving average. So again, technically we are in a bull market, even though we may have a red month at this time for the month of December and for the end of the year. Look like we will be starting out the new year maybe right around pivot, or maybe below pivot. If we end up below pivot, I kind of expect the market maybe to pull back pretty close to this 9-10 moving average, and we might get a kiss or a bounce there. So it could come down to a support 1 level, which is around that 564 level, as we can see there right now. So that wouldn't be out of the question for me at this time. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see in there. On this weekly chart, why is it looking so bare to me? I usually have some moving averages on here. Why they're not showing up? I'm going to take a quick look at that, and maybe not. I can load. Let me see if I got the studies things here to load, and I do not see it there, and I do not see it there. So it's a style. Don't worry about it. On this weekly chart, what I see here, I see we had made a top, and we rolled over. We finally trying to get some confirmation of that top. I can see the market again dropping maybe as low as around in this 570 area here on this weekly chart, getting down into deep into this whole demand level where it actually popped out of here, but a lot of times they do end up slipping down pretty deep into that before it actually gives you that reversal, since we are not getting it right here where I would kind of expecting it to happen, but come next week and come after the first of the year, we might start getting that reversal back to the upside. We just kind of have to wait and see. Let's go ahead and go down here to this daily chart. On this daily chart, what I see here, it's all back when we had the whole sell-off with the announcement that we had in the market created some supply up here, and now when the market did try to reverse back up here the last weekend coming in this week, it's just been the first couple of days, the market has not been able to get back up to this area. The market has been selling off, and we had a doji yesterday, and right now what we're looking at is a bearish looking pattern in the wrong location, but it's a bearish pattern at the least still. And what I'm talking about is these two candles right here. It's not the end of the week, but in the midweek we got this bearish looking pattern, and now we have to be looking out to see if we're going to get some more commitment to the downside. And if that happens, you're looking to see if you're going to get any support at this level around, say 580. I say 580. Because we got a support. We have a support 2 level here, and it may give us some support. And also you had this big demand candle here when the market came down here before, and we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. But that's it. That's pretty much all I really want to share. Happy New Year to all. I hope you had a great year, which is for most of us bull. It has been a great year, but we're going to have to kind of like wait and see what comes up next year. This is Right Side Trader. and I'll be talking to you guys again on Friday and all. But I want to throw this end of year thing out. Have a good one. Happy New Year, all. Bye.